everybody. Welcome to Fame World Educational Hub. Myself, Aishwarya Saxena, and in this video, I am going to start with a new program of If Else. We have already seen 10 programs in the series, in this Java 19 series, and today I am going to start with a new program that is going to be the program number 11. And I will tell about one more program of If Else where we'll see the character, like char data type. So here I'm taking a program, write a program to input a character and check if it is vowel or consonant. Vowel or consonant. So how to take input of a character with that I have already told in the previous videos. But yes, here also we are going to take input of a character. So we obviously have to take the scanner class in the consideration. This is Pro 11 public static void main, and we are just creating the object of the scanner class as we have to take input. So we have taken scanner class object, and here I am taking char ch, a character variable. Then I am giving a message for the user, enter a character. Then ch equals to ov dot next dot, you have to take char at 0 if you want to take input of a character. Now there are multiple characters, or like you have to use here the logical operators. So in this video, I will be discussing the concepts of logical operator also. So here we will be using the like or operator and or not. We are having the logical operators. So logical operators, there are three: and operator, or operator, and not operator. So and is represented with this symbol, ampersand double time, and or is represented with this, and not is represented with this. So when we talk about the first one, that is the and operator. So here, like I'm telling the truth table. Truth table is the one which will be telling the truth of it. Simply you will be able to get the values. And A and B. So here A and B I have written. Now suppose I'm just taking here T, T, F, F. That means true, true, false, false. If the condition is true, that I am taking here. Then here I'm taking true, false, and true, false. So we have taken the unique combinations. You can see true, 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 false, true, and false, false. Now A and B, like A and B is going to be where you are having both true, so it will be true. Okay, if both values are true, so it will be true. Then if one is false, okay, if one is false, so it will be giving us, it is also actually given with the dot symbol, like you can write it like this, or let me give it in a bracket, or you can also write it like this, A dot B. Okay, so suppose all true, so it will be true. If one is false, then it will be false. Like one true, one false, it will be false. Then one true, one false, it will be false, and all false, so it will be false. So and is used, it's like and is used, so all the values should be true to get the true as output. In case you are using or operator, so I'm again telling the truth table to explain this concept. A, B, and here I'm taking A or B. Or in A or B, like you can also denote it with the plus symbol. A plus B would be the same thing. So suppose I'm taking true, true, like unique combination, true, true, false, false. Then here I'm taking true, false, true, false. So again, we are having the unique combination, 2 times true, true, then true, false, false, true, and false, false. So now you can say like here also, like what was happening in AND operator, like all should be true, then only it comes true. Here in case, if one is also only true, then also it will be true. Like here, true, true, so it will be true. Then true, false, it will be true because one value is true. Then false, true, it will be true because one value is true. then false, false, it will be false because all the values are false. Until all the values are false, it will be not false in the case of OR operator. And in the case of logical and, if only one value is false, then also it will be false only. All values should be true to get the output as true. Then it comes to not. So I'm just telling the truth table for not also. It's really simple. Like I'm zooming in. First of all, like here, if I'm having A, and you can denote it with A bar or A complement also, that will be completely fine. Like this. Okay. So it is the reversal. Like if you are having true, so the output will be false. If you are having false, so the output will be true. So it is just the reverse of the input, you can say. So these are the logical operators which you can use according to your requirements. So in today's program also, I am going to use the logical operator OR. So now you know that when you are going to use which operator, like with the help of this, you will be able to know that which operator you want to use, what is the requirement. In this program, we have to check the characters. We are having multiple characters to check for vowel. 5 characters we are having to check for vowel, and 5 is small and 5 capital. Like if it is capital A, it is still vowel. If it is a small a, it is a still vowel. So in that case, we will be using OR operator. So let's see this. And you can take the screenshots, you can take the notes of the things which we are discussing in this playlist, in this series, because it will be helping you out for the revision purposes also. And now here I am just moving further with the program. So we have already taken the input here, and now I will check if ch equal to small a. Now equal to is the relational operator which we are using, that is double equal. And here I am using OR operator, a ch equal to e, and the character is always given in single quotation mark. You can see I am writing a and e in single quotation mark. Ch equal to I, then ch equal to o, then ch equal to u. Then we can also check it for capital alphabets, like it is necessary, otherwise it will be giving consonant when we are taking some capital alphabet. So ch equal to a, e, capital also we are taking. Ch equal to capital I, then ch equal to capital U, then OR operator you can see we are using continuously, capital O. I'm just zooming in, just take a look at it. And here, okay, this program is in front of you. Like small a, e, I, o, u and capital A, E, I, O, U, we have checked with the help of OR operator, we are checking. Then here, in case any of this is true, any of this, so it will be printing ch is a vowel simply. Okay, and in case this condition is false, means we have not given input of a, e, I, o, u, any other character has been given input, either capital or small, does not make a difference. So it will be printing ch is a consonant. So simple. This program is very important also and very simple also. So I hope this is clear. Let me just run this program in front of you. Java C space pro11.java. Again telling you, okay, you can see there is some problem, some error in this code, because here you can see by mistake I have taken the wrong symbol. So whenever you make any error, or if you want to make the changes in the code, like I have made the changes right now, so you have to recompile the program, always remember. Now there is no error, so Pro 11, now you can see enter a character, small e is a vowel, capital W is a consonant, small s is a consonant, capital I is a vowel, capital E is a vowel, small a is a vowel. You can see our program is working absolutely fine. Whatever value we are taking, we are able to get the absolutely correct output. So I hope you are getting what we are discussing here. In case you have any query, you can put your query in the comment section and I will be definitely helping you out. So in this video, we discussed 2-3 concepts actually. The first concept which we discussed, that is the operator, the logical operators we have discussed in this video. Then we discussed the if-else concept. Second thing is if-else concept which we discussed. And the third thing which we discussed, that is the program of character in if else. So 3 important things we have discussed in this video. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit the like button, and in case you have any query, put it in the comment section. I will help you out. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe it and also press the notification bell, because after pressing the notification bell, you will start getting the notifications of my latest uploads. So I hope you are enjoying this playlist. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned and see you in the next video with some new programs and new concepts.